MRG would like to demonstrate the quick and simple procedure in setting up the Rechner EasyMount sensor for various applications. Following the demonstration of the EasyMount sensor, either in person or on our various social media platforms, such as YouTube, we're now going to show you how straightforward it is to teach the EasyMount sensor. From the datasheet, you will notice the following graphic and EasyTeach chart. We now have the options to teach the sensor either empty or full. We would recommend that you teach the sensor as full, allowing the sensor to detect the medium. You will see from the following demonstrations that when we introduce the magnet to the sensor, that the LED indicates through a series of steady and rapid pulses both adjustment and initializing of both empty and full. Once we reach the steady pulsing of the amber LED, we can then proceed through to the increased pulsing of the adjustment in full initializing mode. Now we are ready to withdraw the magnet from the teach procedure and your sensor is now set. The mounting is really simple. It can be mounted in various ways. It can be glued in the desired position, fixed with a cable tie, or it can be mounted with one of the holders from the range of accessories. The steps one has to pass through are quick and easy to complete, so the user doesn't lose time from looking after his core business. If you'd like to discuss any applications that you have, please don't hesitate to call MRG on 01463 246 800 or visit our website www.mrgscotland.com.